In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play YouTube music in background on mobile. Whether you want your playlist running while you text, browse, or lock your screen. There are two straightforward ways to make it happen. First, the official route. If you have YouTube Music Premium, background and screen off listening work natively. You simply play your music in the YouTube Music app and it keeps going even when you switch apps or turn off the screen. It's seamless and reliable because it's built into the service. Now, if you don't have a premium subscription, here is a simple browser workaround that lets you listen in the background for free. Here's how to do it smoothly. Start by opening a web browser on your phone. Chrome, Safari, or Brave all work well. In the address bar, go to music.youtube.com. If you want your personal library and playlists, sign into your account. If you just want to search and play something quickly, you can continue without signing in. Next, tell the site to load the desktop version. This is the key step. On Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Request Desktop Site. On Safari, tap the A icon in the address bar and select Request Desktop Website. This makes the page behave like it does on a computer, which allows background playback. Once the desktop site loads, find the song, album, or playlist you want and press play. When the music is playing, minimize the browser and go back to your home screen. If the audio pauses when you switch away, don't worry. Pull down your phone's notification shade or go to your lock screen and press the play button in the media controls to resume. After that, the music should keep going in the background while you use other apps or with the screen off. For the best experience, leave that browser tab open in the background and avoid fully closing the browser. You can adjust volume or pause from the notification or lock screen controls whenever you need. Keep in mind that browser updates and site changes can occasionally affect this behavior. So if something seems off, just reopen the browser tab and press play again. That's it. Thanks for watching.